Oh, hell no. You better call Nelmar. I'm in the south side of Chicago, taking care of this tree that was growing into the garage, damaging it, and also growing into the power lines. Let's get to it. I had to use the pole saw to make precision cuts to avoid damaging the power lines in the garage. It was about 20 degrees outside. But rain, sleet, or snow, these trees must go. Halfway done with the first tree. On to the second tree. Same thing, have to use the pole saw to make small cuts to avoid damaging the power lines. Got both trees completely cut down. Got the crew loading everything up into the trailer. Raking up the last little stems and sticks. You see it. Got both trees completely cut down. Got everything loaded up to the trailer. Off to the dump. On to the next.